Almost a year ago, Nick and I adopted our first dog, Bear. He was a rescue from the Humane Society, and we fell in love at first sight. I mean, look at that face. After owning him for a while, I can 100% confirm that he is the best dog ever. He is caring and considerate. He makes sure we are eating healthy and taking care of ourselves. He makes sure that we know where he is at all times so we don't worry about his well-being. When returning from a walk, he checks the whole apartment multiple times for any intruders that may want to harm us. He treats us very special and always knows what we really want. He knew that we actually hate having such a plain carpet, so he decorates it with cotton batting. He knew that I hated having such a plain couch, so he added his own color and textures. He knew I was looking for an excuse to paint the walls, so he ate a hole out of the drywall. He is very smart and well ordered. He is very careful about where to place his waste. He carefully rations his pee to dispense it evenly on every single tree in the neighborhood. He's very particular about which side of you he wants to walk on. We couldn't ask for a better puppy.